Hello friends, the objective of this learning units are, after the completion of this unit, learners will be able to discuss the importance of question making and they will be able to discuss the basic rules of question making. According to Decovers, it is not the answer that enlightens, but the question. A good question, correctly framed, can help a teacher understand the thought process of students and how well a child has internalized the concept or mastered the skill. Questions should challenge and stimulate a child to think deeply and to apply the concepts learned. A teacher should know what questions to ask and how to ask them. If we don't know what questions to ask, our time with students will be wasted. If we know the right questions but ask in a way that is ambiguous or confusing, the purpose of testing will not be fulfilled. The ability to ask questions that make students think both at the time of instructions and assessment is the quality of a good teacher. Why effective question making is very important? Effective question making is very important because of the following reasons. They influence what and how students study and what they learn. Thus, they provide an opportunity to focus on what's really worth learning. They provide feedback on what students are learning. They can stimulate thinking and develop higher level thinking skills, strategies, and habits. They can help to distinguish rote learning from understanding. They can help to identify common misconceptions, common errors also. So these are the reasons why effective question making is very important. Now let us know the basic rules of question making. Never ask questions without a plan. Always have a plan and then frame questions. Never ask irrelevant or confusing questions. Questions should really test what it intends to test. Never give more than required, means clarity should be there in your question paper. Always ask questions that stimulate thinking. Link to learning outcomes. Try to ask open-ended questions sometimes. Focus on important concepts or skills. Correctness of the questions, means be sure that the questions what we are giving to the students are correct. Age appropriateness of language in the questions. Developing competencies based questions instead of content or subject based questions. These are the basic rules a teacher should follow while framing questions for the students. What are the basics of question making? To make good questions, we need to first understand how questions can test different levels of thinking as per Bloom's taxonomy and thereby promote the levels of thinking. In the next video, we will discuss about what are the basics of question making as per the three domains of learning, that is cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain. Thank you.